Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I made this delicious and mouth-watering fried rice. In making this recipe today, I'll be using a different brand of basmati rice. And I'll be using 4.5 cups of this basmati rice. So firstly, I'll pour it in a bowl and wash with hot water until the water becomes crystal clear. Just like so. Wow, I forgot my national anthem. Anyways, if this is your first time of coming through this channel, please consider subscribing, like, comment, and don't forget to click on that notification bell, okay? So anytime I upload a new video, you will definitely be notified. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. Now the rice in the pot, I'll be boiling the rice with my turkey and chicken stock from yesterday. So I'll be separating the residue from the main, and I'll use it to boil the rice. I'll also be adding a little bit of water just above the rice, and also add some seasoning. Allow that to cook properly, but not 100% cooked, but 95%, and the remaining 5% will be for later. So I'm going to stir properly, cover, and allow it to do its thing while I move to the next stage. At this point, I will introduce you to the ingredients I'll be using for my fried rice. So I have here my green peas, all well chopped, my green and red pepper, bell pepper to be precise, well chopped as well. I have also my carrots, and also I have my sweet corn. This is frozen one. You can decide to use non-frozen sweet corn. And I have my liver, of course. Fried rice without liver for me is a no-no. And of course, I'll be using my spices, a combination of different spices, and this was inspired by delicious food. I'll be doing a separate video later for that. And I have my onions and also my spring onions, and finally but not the least, I have my prawns. I'll also be using 2 ingredients that I did not mention: my sunflower, groundnut oil, and my melted butter that I'll be adding to this recipe today. So the pan on the fire there, and I'll be adding a little bit of the combination I mentioned earlier, which is the groundnut oil, sunflower groundnut oil, and the butter. I'll add that to the pot straight away. Allow that to heat for just less than a second. Then I'll add my onion, green peas, and I'll add my garlic powder, which I did not mention at the beginning of this video. I'll stir the pan very well, then add my spices, stir again, and add some of the bell peppers. I'll also add to the pan my diced carrots, just take a look at that color right there. Isn't it beautiful color? Wow. Right, so the next thing I'll do is to add the sweet corn to the pan, and then the prawn, and give it a good stir. I'll add a little bit of the spices again, just to make sure that the taste is just right. After that, I'll give it a good stir, then introduce my liver. At this stage, I will introduce my rice. So the rice is 95% cooked, as earlier advised at the beginning of the video. I'm going to be adding as much as I can on the pan and give it a continuous stir. So the continuous stir is to ensure that the rice doesn't get burned, okay? So you keep on stirring until it is time to get off the stove. In Nigeria, when we prepare fried rice, you know how we stir from one corner to the other to ensure that the rice doesn't get burned. Nobody wants their fried rice to get burned, do you? No. I will add some parsley leaf and give it a good stir. Oh my, the aroma in my kitchen, I tell you guys, is heavenly. Take a look at that color. Wow, it's so looking inviting. Right, so this moment I'm going to put up the rice in a bowl and I'll repeat same process again, which was done off the camera. Wow, my fried rice is ready. Isn't that colorful? Yes, it is. If you like this video, please consider subscribing, like, and don't forget to click on that bell, okay? So anytime I upload a new video, you will definitely be notified. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.